Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing a unicorn. Let's draw with me. First I am drawing its face. I am drawing its ear and its head. I am drawing its horn. I am drawing its hair. Now I am drawing its body. I am drawing its leg. I am drawing its second leg. I am drawing its third leg. I am drawing the last one, fourth. Drawing its tail. I am drawing its cute eyes. Now I am going to color light blue color. I am coloring its hair. Pink color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Green color. I am coloring its on with different colors. Pink color. I am coloring on hat, light blue color. Pink color. I am coloring in face, skin color. I am coloring in body. I am coloring its fold leg. I am coloring its second leg. I am coloring its tummy. I am coloring its third leg. I am coloring its back. It's done. I am coloring its mouth. Now I am coloring in tail, the pink color. Light purple color. Green color. Light blue color. Ice blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.